Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to change something. A lot of people question why I'm gonna do that. It's the brakes.
Straight from the middle, it's lit like a rocket. Give me a bit, I'm a rocket. Feeling like Rocky, fit in my pockets. Bipolar man, humble and cocky. They try to copy, give me the money. I need my greens like it's broccoli. I ain't trying to ball.
So I'm gonna replace the carbon ceramic brakes with steel ones again. And one of the reasons I'm doing this is not because I'm not happy with the carbon ceramic ones. They are excellent at braking, but they are also quite pricey. And I'd like to test new things, which I can also then recommend or not to my clients. So that's why I got in touch with Ross Sport from UK. I know them for, I don't know, a couple of years now. I also had their brakes, or the Alcon brakes, on my Evo, and I was very happy with that setup. So when Ross Sport designed this kit for the GR Yaris, I wanted to test it, and that's why I bought one, and I got it with a discount, just to state the obvious. And gonna test that now with endless pads. I don't have those yet. I'm gonna get them in a couple days or weeks, I don't know yet. But we're gonna install these. I'm gonna sell the carbon ceramic ones and then test these, and most likely in a year or two I'm gonna switch again to the next brand, just so I can test different things and see what works and what doesn't. So you don't have to, so you can just buy the stuff that works. And if you have a lot of money, go buy the carbon ceramic ones, or buy old ones. They are not so expensive anymore. So now they are very heavy. the difference in weight from the discs is incredible. The carbon ceramic ones are like half the size or half the weight of the stock ones. And mine are 374 by 36. 374 by 36 millimeters, and the stock ones are 356 by 28 millimeters. So huge difference, and they're half the weight. So now I'm gonna have to weigh these. They are 355 by 32, I think. Yes, they make some great kits, and I'm very interested to see how this works. Yeah, they are very, very heavy, obviously. So let's grab my scale. I'm not sure if that's the most accurate way to weigh things. But I always weigh it with this stuff, so come on. I just replaced the batteries, and now it wants me to replace them again. Maybe once. Yeah. Don't know if you can see it. 8.45. I have to check what the stock ones weigh. I actually don't know. I think it's around 10-ish. And the carbon ceramic ones are around 5-ish. I'm gonna search out the weight. Most likely there are only the 2 brake discs in here. Yes, they are. Let's grab the other package. Much lighter. In here should be the calipers and the brackets and everything. Oh, I didn't know they supply brake lines as well. From hell. Yeah. You also get brake lines from, I don't know if you can see it, hell. We already have ones from them, so I got a spare kit. That's also nice. Then we have one piece GR Yaris front. Yeah, bolts, obviously. Oh, the nice, with the nice, I don't know if you can see them, and bracket, TA6 GR Yaris front. Yeah, they always, they also state where the disc has to be. You can see the arrow, maybe, yeah. So you can't put them on wrong. They are for an 18mm pad. So if you're asking, it's an 18mm thick pad. They do look big, don't they? They are quite big. They are 6-piston, the TA6 Plus, and they also come with this one right here, pre-assembled. That's also very nice. I always use them on the every 2 or 3 events. I replace these just to find out how hot my brakes are getting. And as you can see, they have, I don't know, yeah, so now you can see it. They have 3 different piston sizes. They are 27, 31.8 and 38.1 millimeters in diameter. Obviously they're different because you have left and right, obviously. So I have to check if the discs are the same with left and right. We'll see. The reason for that is the different sizes of the piston. This one, it's easier. Yeah, that's the left one, like this, and driving is this way. So it rotates like this, and that's why you have the different sized pistons, because you have different brake, or you need different brake pad pressure on different areas, so that makes absolute sense. So let's gonna install these bad boys, and hopefully I'm gonna get my pads soon. Other than that, it's gonna be very hard to break. So let's go install them. Oh no, actually let's check the brake discs first. Obviously they're also left and right. Does it say somewhere on the outside? No, it doesn't, but that's left side, so it looks like this. Because the internal cooling vanes. That's also a very interesting topic with the stock brake discs, because it looks like they're the wrong way around, the stock ones. But I think Toyota knew what they were doing, so let's install them.
Barging in from the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up, break you in then break you out. In the end we gon' make a child, then we gon' hit the shower. Part 2 we don't need no pause. Misty, we gon' get tipsy, don't need a power shot.
Copy my steel, face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars from a copy my steel. Copy my steel, face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars from a copy my steel. Got my heart no in the bed.
So yeah, I just installed the endless brake kit. I was just a little bit confused because, can you see it? Yeah, that's the one that's upside down. but I think I mentioned that already. I don't know. The unboxing video was or is now like 2 weeks ago, I think. Yeah, we just had to wait, or I just had to wait to get the pads, because I didn't know if they are made it in time, but they did. And so we're using endless, obviously, all the time, or whenever it's possible. I'm using endless. So it's a 355 by 32. These ones are left side, and the right side looks obviously exactly same. Only difference is this one, which is here on the bottom and also on the wrong side. But I don't think that really matters. So yeah, I have just installed it and bled everything. In the video, please don't don't take it too seriously, because I just put everything in, made sure it fit, because we have the next track day, or the next race, is the European time attack at Nürburgring, and that's quite close, so I had to hurry to finish, because now is in about 10 minutes. There's a client coming, or a friend actually. He started out as a client and became a friend. He has the new Yaris, the facelift, and we're gonna make a video about that. So, and he also gets mud flaps, I think. And so I had to put them in real quick, and obviously I took them apart again to lubricate everything that's necessary. And behind the discs, the Radnabe, the no, it's not the wheel bearing. Yeah, the thing where the disc lays on. It's a little bit rusty, as you might have seen in the video. I have to clean that properly, but I'm gonna do that during winter and not before just the next race. They're not gonna be on very long, so I'm gonna take everything apart during winter anyway, so I have to clean everything, and so that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, we got the kit, or the kit is made actually by Ross Sport in the UK. I've known Ross like a couple of years now, and I'm pretty happy with Alcon, and I'm also pretty happy with how everything fitted. It just slid right on, and everything fitted just perfectly, like it should. It should fit like this, but there's always some other parts or company that makes stuff that doesn't fit. I'm not gonna, or I didn't replace the brakes, because the carbon fiber ones aren't working, but I want to test new things. I need to test new things, so you guys know what works and what doesn't. So if anybody wants my carbon fiber kit, that's for sale actually, with new pads and everything, of course. And we're gonna test this one at the Nürburgring, and then the next, I think the weekend after it's the season end track day at Anodura with a few friends, and we're gonna test them there as well. So yeah, so you can buy race proven stuff and you don't have to test it. So that's what is next with these brakes, and I think that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a good week. Goodbye.